Guys, once again, more dice. Zimhiphop, guys. Zimhiphop. You know, peace, but more dice. Stop sleeping on them. Ew, read us again.
What no one?
You mira.
You what no one?
Yumpane.
What no one?
I don't go this is
what no one?
Na time ya guru wakati.
Time echi, wapana time ya kono. What no?
Punza zakanaka.
Urupunza chi ayo.
Ege, tatamira ege, nuba wasege, ege, tatamira ege, nuba wasege. Manje, isto tamaka no game ege.
They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with KC. Alright, guys. So today we're gonna be reacting to R.Peels AK. Alright. So
zotirunzi AK
manje isto tamaka no game ege. Don't give it. Don't give it. Alright, so shout out to R.Peels for this video, for this song. I heard it's a banger. So yeah, we're just gonna react to it real quick. To all those that subscribed, thank you very much. Thank you for the 1K. We really appreciate it. 1K. Next goal is 10K. Let's go for 10K. Let's go for 10K.
And soon 100K. We need an award.
Take it easy. But yeah, if you like this channel, if you like this video, please scroll down and like, share, and subscribe
to your friends.
Yes, please share to your friends. You have no idea how much it means to me if you share to your friends. It really goes a long way. So yeah, please share with your friends and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Recording and
Tobam.
Hey, what's it on this quality today?
Patek, my chain panic, Indo hit DJ Patek. Naimbo Gaira, I'm a gangster, now I'm not gangster. I made mistakes, but then I'm big. Mazoniku wana tsuka zangu pares. Panakana wana no dimisa pa fair. Jando muna gandi isa pa map. Tedongora TV pa next. Yeah.
Tedongora TV pa next.
Ayo, but rules of flow again.
Ruins.
Patek. Ayo, guys. You guys, once again, more dice. Zimhiphop, guys. Zimhiphop. You know, peace, but more dice. Stop sleeping on them. Ew, read us again.
I want to miss up a fair. Jando Munagandi is up a map. Tedongora TV pa next. Yeah, nice. Vakut Dindiri next. Mugutamba checkers the moon, which is Tatunga Faman.
Tamba checkers the moon, next. Which is Tamba. My levels are here now. And my levels are here. Tapa checkers, tapa chess.
Yeah, it's just
Kamisa ka chest, zimhiphop yakandisa pa test. Now ndakuimbira ma checks ma zero. Tragic now doubt tenga pa chero. Now ndakuimbira ma checks ma zero. Tragic now doubt tenga pa chero. Ege, talk to atambira ege. Nuba wasege.
Nuba wasege.
Talk to atambira ege. Nuba wasege. Talk to atambira ege. Nuba wasege. Talk to atambira ege.
Yes, bro. Yesu. Kuona. Ana sweet get up.
Nova kwa sege. Takto atambira.
That's not yeah. I am there.
Easy by no class.
I don't think you.
Come on. Guys.
Para chido.
I would
Nova kwa sege. Ndipata nikuseru beruko. Nengori snitch. Taga mboko. Faro wari wild. Crazy loco. Rapping Venetian states. I'm local. They can't finesse my raps. I'm vocal. Shout out to Monkey Toko. Hands in the international logo. International moko. Tore up a fender zip. Tore up a fender brand. Shot. Tore up a fender fed up. You know what to get my bread up. Fara kutura sumo. Fara kuimbira lumo. Fara kuziva my nose. Legendary kumagumo. Ege. Takto atambira ege. Nova kwa sege. Ege. Takto atambira ege. Nova kwa sege.
But Mfisi is saying something, guys. Once you come up, sakangana ko ab.
yeah.
Please, sakangana ko ab. I think a lot of people do this, but sakanga. I've heard so many artists saying, "I ripped this place, I ripped this item," but apana shaona zongo it. You get.
Yeah.
But I've seen like people like ASAP like the boy from the city of kings and queens, yeah. But achieve arati what's happening that side. You see,
yeah.
But some people at this side, but no one achingotora video per day, nothing to show that you're ripping your item, nothing to show that you're giving back to your people. You feel? Yeah, I'm
Zagwan.
getting too deep. Let's get back to this.
Takto atambira ege. Nova kwa sege. Takto atambira ege. Nova kwa sege. Diana ni naru. Diana kagara chisharo. Diana kadaru. Diana katanga ni naru. Like you fake to facts. You hating you shallow. Yeah, I lost respect. Munongo wanza tunaru. Tupakari ndiri 16 ndiri king stew kunge kingpin. Tupakari ndiri gang rangu vunza MK tune bling bling. Tama ni mamo
day one,
2020 ta business. Take a tour with the eliteness. You want business, we are with email faru. Ege. Takto atambira ege. Nova kwa sege. Ege. Takto atambira ege.
Kuzis. Sazikos. Sazikos andrukones. Yes, bro.
Hey.
Yes, bro. Jeez. R.Peels, Jimbo, explain us. Jeez,
What's going on?
what's happening here?
Ungoti sotra ukanika.
Look at those S's.
Ungoti sotra ukanika unanga 1 2 ways.
1 2.
How rodzi ways.
But jeez.
Ege.
No game time. But no game.
No.
Nova kwa sege.
Away.
Shout out.
So yeah, shout out to R.Peels. That was a dope item. Shout out to all the Zim rappers.
Shout out.
Keep doing your thing. Please, people, don't
sleep.
Don't sleep on these guys. Arupisa.
Ndivuti mufano ngofeature noise. Anatakura unofano feature na R.Peels. Kweto uziti
help each other rise.
I'm Papi, I don't feature those people.
Help each other rise. Wana ishakaita Ginde.
Ginde
wakabatsirana wezi. Look at the waves it's making.
You see? Mufano ngo support and look out this.
Alright, so yeah. That's it for the reaction. Itapinda tanyanyo pinda tipa.
But it's not about
it. Do not sleep on your local talent, guys. Mamjingoterera wana nasty sim chikangana kuna R.Peels
sha.
Chi.
Ndandora big artist mzimga. Mfano feature na R.Peels.
Let's help each other grow, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you.
It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Kayzano, and today, as you can see, guys, I've got a very special guest.
Mama Kays.
Hey, yeah. What is it?
Don't know so can do any challenge.
If it doesn't-
Ga challenge. On the ga.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.